Thank you for tuning in to my channel, Mini Movement Man. This is the first time meditation guide. On today's episode, I'm going to do a follow-along meditation using the square breathing technique. I'll start by rooting my body into the ground, digging my toes into the sand, slightly bending my knees. I'm setting up my intention and beginning to breathe, thinking what I came to this spot for. What is my purpose? Why am I doing this? Continue to inhale and exhale. Feel the oxygen filling your lungs and let it out. Now I'm going to inhale and hold my breath as my arms separate. Exhale as my arms come down and hold my breath again. Inhale, holding my breath. Exhale, holding my breath once again. Repeat this over and let your mind drift away. Begin to notice, begin to feel the weight of your arms as you're lifting them up, separating your hands. Feel your shoulders, your spine, your hips, your knees, all working as one to make this pattern continuously happen. Keep on breathing and let your thoughts drift. Let the thoughts come in and let them go. Focus on the sounds that are all around you and just observe. Now, stop the square breathing and begin once again just to inhale and exhale. Standing nice and still, focusing on your breath, filling your lungs. Exhale out. Once again, we go into our square breathing. Focus back on all the thoughts that come rolling through your mind. It's okay to think about anything good or bad. Just let the thoughts come and go. Just like waves rolling in the ocean, passing by, let your thoughts do the same. Notice this pattern that your arms are doing and continue to breathe in and out. Once again, listen to all the noises that are around you. Feel your heart beating within your body. And keep on observing all the sensations. There's no right or wrong thoughts. Just continue to breathe. Exhale out. Focus your attention on the weight of your body, whether you're standing up or sitting down or even lying down. Feel your body pressing into the floor or into the sand or into your chair. And once again, just breathe and be still. Take the time to stay in this moment and be fully aware, fully present. Continue to breathe. Now you can open your eyes. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe.